Please pay attention. Watch this video. Relax yourself. Don't skip it. Relax yourself and watch it so that you will understand the worst has finally happened to Ndi-igbo. This is the worst thing that can ever happen to any tribe. And at this point, I think if we cannot wake up at this particular period of time, nothing will happen to us for us to wake up, because they have pushed us beyond the wall. In fact, I don't want to take much of your time. I shed tears while watching this video, and that is why I say you should relax and watch it. Like I said, the worst has happened to Ndi-igbo. This is the height of insult. This is the height of humiliation any tribe can get, and we are getting it with nobody rising up to say anything. Watch the video.
Voice. I'll be brief. From what, with due respect to Senator Lero, who said lion share to the southwest, when will Southeast even have lion share in any particular project? Mr. President, if this is an omission, it is an expensive omission. The Southeast cannot continually to be treated the way Nigeria is treating the Southeast. Let me give you an instance. Out of the dams that were listed here on the Southeast, Ivo Dam was last funded about 12 years ago with a 5 billion naira spent on it, and it has been abandoned by Nigeria for the last 12 years. I had written 3 letters to the Ministry of Water Resources. We have done everything possible to see if they can bring up Ivo Dam, and here a zone is allocated 66 billion and the entire South is at 0. What kind of omission is that, Mr. President?
Thank you.
We should be treated better than this, sir.
Thank you.
Number one, the video you just watched now is one. Now, watch the second person lamenting. I want you to pay attention. The same way they disregarded that person, the way they push him out. Watch this second one and see how they will also take him out. Watch it.
Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the Southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is the national budget. We have to look at it critically. Mr. Speaker, I want to bring the attention of the House in this item 281, light rail, Kano Ogun, Lagos. Mr. Speaker, I'm from a zone, and none of the Southeast and other zones are captured in this particular place. And this is the national budget. We have to look at it critically. It's not for a particular state, Mr. Speaker. The Southeast need to be included. That is my point of order, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. Your observation. I am sure in the course of the year there might be...
Mr. Speaker, no other time. It is now. Let us do it now. Mr. Speaker, observation.
They are already ongoing now.
Yours is noted, Honorable, and will bring it to the attention of Mr. President.
Now,
Order.
Don't skip. Don't go out. You remain. There are many. Watch the second one. Watch the third one and see something.
Honorable Minister Gas, my question is on policy on the Nigerian gas pipeline infrastructure. Recently, I saw somebody on television, Arise News, canvassing the issues as they affect the Southeast geopolitical zone on the construction of high-pressure gas pipelines. It was revealed the Southeast has no program for high-pressure gas pipeline infrastructure going on now. Like you have the AKK, Abuja, Kaduna, Kano, and you have similar projects across the other geopolitical zones. There is no program to lay pipes, high-pressure gas pipelines in the Southeast to carry natural gas around that zone. So since that revelation, our people have been gravely concerned, and they've been reaching out to us in the National Assembly to find out why the Southeast doesn't have that project. Is it in your program? When are you going to do that so that the same gas can be made available to the Southeast geopolitical zone for industrial?
Thank you. Now, the videos you just watched indicate that all the projects instituted by the federal government, that Ndi-igbo are totally omitted from it. I mean, Ndi-igbo are totally, the Southeast are totally excluded from it. They are not included. Now, the question I want to ask you, since all the projects from federal government in 2025-2026 project from the federal government, that in the Southeast, the entire Ndi-igbo are not included on it, which project are they now given to the Igbos? Guess what? The only project that Ndi-igbo will be included is military checkpoint, police checkpoint, and all manner of rubbish. That is the only thing. That is the only thing they will benefit. Now, is this not the high time the so-called Igbo political leaders or the Igbo elite need to come together and rise up and fight? Why can't the lawmakers, the House of Representatives, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is battling his case now, and why can't them raise a debate of referendum for us to go? That will also serve as an evidence that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not alone, that we Ndi-igbo, the Igbo political elite, are solidly behind Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and are tired of this contraption called Nigeria. That is what we are saying. All the project, everything coming from the federal government, Ndi-igbo are totally omitted from it. What project is Igbo's Southeast included? No single project. That is why our place is like that. Keep on watching, and there are senators representing us. Now, the last video I will play to you will make you to shed tears. In fact, you will cry and weep for Ndi-igbo, because the last video will be, I don't know if I will even play it or should I not play it. You will cry tears. This way they have humiliated Ndi-igbo, and the marginalization is beyond control. Now, the worst part of it is that when these people that claim to be Igbo leaders are raising the alarm, they will just tell them, they will now let the Mr. President to know. But guess what? The question every Igbo man should ask themselves is this: where was this so-called Igbo leaders, the senators and the House of Representatives, when these bills are being prepared before coming to this stage? Where were them when they are submitting the project for review and before the conclusion? Is it not their fellow senators and the House of Representatives that brought the project from their own constituency where they are representing to this Mr. President? What are the projects that Igbo senators or Igbo House of Reps have ever presented that will benefit Ndi-igbo, apart from the bringing the military to now unalive Ndi-igbo? That is why when you come to Igbo today, everywhere is filled of military checkpoint, police checkpoint, Hope Uzodimma, Soludo, and Peter Mba with Mwifuru, and the rest of them, and competing who will slaughter the youth of Ndi-igbo and please the Fulani. That is why the Peter Mba is now making a Fulani man his special advisor and his special assistant on governorship of Enugu State. Now, I will play you the last video, but I want you to know that the worst have happened to Ndi-igbo. And guess what? These are the reasons why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is where he is today. Because he raised alarm. Is it not enough for Ndi-igbo, the Igbo lawmakers, to raise a referendum debate in the House of Assembly, in the National House of Assembly? Can't you people speak and say, enough, we have had enough, let us go? One Nigeria is a crime against Ndi-igbo. One Nigeria is making Ndi-igbo slave in their own land. One Nigeria can never benefit us. Let me not say much. I don't want to talk much. I want you to watch the last video so that you will be able to understand the point where I am coming from. I don't want to say much. Watch the video. And once again, my name is MAP Ezioku Bundo. 1. Don't forget, this platform, we don't support violence, but we tell you the raw truth without fear of favor or being biased. And this platform